laughs evilly.
Nice of the princess to invite us over for a picnic. Eh, Navi?
I hope she made lots of spaghetti.
Luigi, look!
Luigi?
I fucking messed that up.
Say, start the line again.
Navi, look! Picks up note found on gate. It's from Bowser.
Bowser?
Begins. Okay, I fucking need to change the lines. I'm reading it. I am fucking this up.
Just do it again from it's from. It's from.
It's from Ganon. Begins reading notes.
Dear pesky heroes, the minions and I have taken over the the Hyrule Kingdom.
See, you're doing it too.
Princess Zelda is now a permanent guest at one of my 7 pig hotels. I dare you to find her, if you can.
We got to find the princess.
Points at player, and you gotta help us.
Talking to player. If you need instructions on how to get through the hotels, please check out the enclosed instruction book.
The fuck was that?
And that is us fucking everything up for a minute and a half.
Okay, so we plotted this out. We spent like 5 minutes plotting this out. Max was gonna
You're
read
giving
as
us too
Navi
much credit.
instead of Luigi. Sunset was gonna read as Link, CDI Link instead of Mario, and I was gonna read as Ganondorf instead of Bowser. But clearly, that went to plan.
No.
I was laughing so hard I couldn't concentrate on changing the names.
What's funny is that at the time of us recording this is... Sorry, backflipping into the fucking spikes got me. But, at the time of us recording this is the second night in a row I've had to do voice acting for a video. Or a stream, in this case, because last night, Austin and I live streamed Doki Doki Literature Club.
I saw that. I was wondering, like, you're playing DDLC?
Yeah. And for the first act of that game, I did voice acting for it.
I see.
Me and Vocal are going to be doing that for a playthrough at some point on my channel.
Man, I wish I actually joined because I would have done that with you.
Same, probably.
It took us like an hour and a half to get the setup going, though. And that was just for like Austin and I, so it would have been more complicated over Discord. But yeah, you could have jumped in the chat too.
I could have. I'm upset at myself that I didn't.
We went till like 6:30 in the morning.
Oh yeah, I wouldn't have been able to do that.
Same.
But yeah, that's a great game.
It is. It really is. I'm assuming you knew the twist going into it.
I didn't. I knew there was fishy stuff, but not like what fishy specifically, you know.
That game came out 3 years ago. How do you not? No, 4 years ago. How do you not know the twist?
I mean, I don't know the twist. I don't play those kinds of games, so...
Well, that's just it. It's outside of your circle.
Like Austin had played it before, so he had to like sort of make side eyes to the camera because he couldn't talk about any of it.
Yeah. I mean, should I say it? Because I'm assuming anybody who watches this already knows the twist going into it, because they're enough of degenerates to be watching a commentary channel. I say this being subscribed to several commentary channels.
Same.
Yeah, the twist with DDLC is that it's shown as a super rom-com-y visual novel, when it's actually a psychological horror game.
Oh, I knew it was a horror game going in, just not like what it was gonna
Everything.
do. Yeah.
Yeah, it's super meta.
So close.
Yeah. Come on.
You got this, Max. God damn it.
Come on.
Just grab it. It's right there.
grab the
You
present.
son of a bitch. Yeah.
I don't know if there's a way to get in there with Mario.
Magic.
Well, I was
Magic.
trying to tell the little robot
No, I said
toy to
tragic.
grab it.
Oh.
Don't you retry.
Yay, iframes from the mini Mario death protected me from the cannonball. But too bad, I fucked up anyway.
Jump.
Come on, Mini Mario, take the spring. You can do it.
Yeah.
Oh, he's gonna get clipped. Oh no.
Oh.
No, he didn't get clipped, thankfully.
Hit by the skin of your teeth.
Great.
Oh no, I kind of wanted to hear Ganon's take on Luigi.
Yeah, okay. That would also be pretty funny. I hope she made lots of spaghetti.
He just stays there with the fucking hammer.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Stop jumping, you idiot.
Idiot. Stealth in my Mario game?
It's more likely than you think. I mean, stealth has been like had aspects ever since 64.
Oh.
Like how you would speak lucky. Like
Yeah.
how you would speak hockey dance and everything. In the Wop's Castle.
Hmm.
Ugh. Oh god.
Ow.
Oh.
Die.
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 He's inside the stones.
He used the stones to get inside the stones.
Use the stones, Lone Star.
I thought you were gonna say Luke for whatever reason. Use the stones, Luke. No need for the
Well, I mean,
force,
I
just these
can't.
random ass stones.
Just throw rocks at Vader. No, no. Pocket sand.
Don't you know? Vader hates sand, especially pocket sand.
Yeah. It reminds me of home. It's coarse and annoying, and it gets everywhere. I say this as a fan of the prequels.
I'm still gonna finish my rewatch of Attack of the Clones and Revenge of the Sith.
I'm a fan of the prequels. My taste is garbage, though. Because I'm also the guy who likes Sonic 06.
That don't mean nothing. A lot of people
I think it does.
like some call me Johnny.
He only likes the Sonic portions. And even then, it's a very cursory like. He'd much rather play a bunch of other Sonic games.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh!
What?
Oh,
Explode already, damn it!
why?
He still had to get the last fucking hit in.
Pit traded.
Take damage to deal damage.
Great, you won.
DK's
But at
like,
what
what is this
cost?
bullshit? Where are my iframes? World 6 Plus, we're already here.
Last world, let's go.
Yep.
Gotta play fast. Oh. What are we doing? What is he doing?
Why are you locked in the bathroom? You talking to me?
Yes.
What?
Get out of my bathroom.
It's a Deus Ex meme. Sunset's voice reminded me of it. It's the meme goes, "Why are you locked in the bathroom? You talking to me? Maybe you should try getting a job." That's it. That's the moment. It's just funny because it's like PlayStation 1 graphics.
Oh, like old Deus Ex.
Yeah.
Never played that series.
My friend Sid keeps telling me about it, saying I should play it. I'm just like, I don't know. I have so many other games in my backlog as is.
Ain't that the truth?
He mostly just uses it to feel his hate boner against Square Enix, which is ironic because he's also a Final Fantasy XIV player.
Thought you were about to boot that Mario head out of the sky. But can you do this without getting hit?
I think so.
Dies instantly.
What is that thing it's supposed to be shooting out?
A bone.
I thought it was a wrench.
It looks like a bone, but like when you look at it closer, it looks more like a wrench, yeah. A wrench made out of bone.
A bony wrench.
Sure, let's go with that.
A wrench made of bone. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you
Come
good,
on.
Mario?
Yeah, I'm making sure that the toy doesn't
you're
get hit
making
by
sure
the robot.
Yeah, the toy.
Just jump already. You're not that stupid.
I mean, it's a toy.
Yeah, but it's a Mario toy.
And Mario toys can be stupid.
But Mario's the most evilest mastermind in all of the Mushroom Kingdom, remember?
Yeah. Just because he is a
Toys
toy's
would be
not-
that smart.
You did see that one in the earlier 6 Mario toy level that just lagged behind for whatever reason. So they might not be
Yeah.
the brightest bulbs under the tree.
Maybe.
might not be the sharpest knife in the crown box.
Which is ironic considering, you know, they're smart enough to like talk and stuff, but yeah, they just
Da 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 da. I'm an asshole. Just throw it.
I'm thinking in my head. Yeah, just throw it. Mario, just throw it. What are you doing?
Throw it, Mario. I've got the reflexes of a cat and the speed of a mongoose. Throw it. I dare ya.
And the power of a sloth.
Oh, that's right, because yeah, I gotta get him down there. Or, oh yeah, I remember now.
Oh yeah.
Gotta get the last present. There we go.
Make Sunset happy.
Woo.
I think this might be the last one-up game I get. Not too sure. Maybe that's why I showed it.
1, 2, 3. Back to 5 lives.
Here we go.
Valente.
Something tells me you needed those lives. Ooh, excuse me.
You are excused.
Am I though? Am I?
Yeah.
Good.
Shit, good job, little guy.
We're almost there.
We are.
Last
Yay.
normal level.
Here we go.
Hooray.
We swear we're not getting bored.
We're almost to
I
new
mean-
content, so.
Yeah, almost to the new content. Just hold out a little longer, guys. Max, like, sweating and scrambling. We're at new content, guys, I promise.
And said new content is also in itself. I didn't know this as a kid, but it's another homage to Donkey Kong 94.
I like it when things pay homage to other things.
Yeah.
Especially when they're things I like.
Yeet.
Alright, Mr. Fancy Footwork.
Yes,
that
I can
just
use a spring.
All that just to flip the switch.
Come on.
You could
Go
quit
on, Max.
showing
Just
off
use
now,
the
Mario.
trash can as a step stool.
Just do it.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeet.
Just being safe. There we go.
Quit showing off.
Yeah, showing off, that's what you're doing.
No, I could very well not make that
wasn't
jump.
flying.
Sorry?
Oh no, you wouldn't make the jump. A whole 10 seconds wasted.
No, at that height it might be like a fall death, so I didn't want to risk it, so.
K, D, Conky, Dong. K, D, Conky Dong is here. Oh.
Ow!
Ow!
I think the laser layout in this one might be slightly different, but this is like by far the least changed one out of the main 6.
I mean, the fight itself was already a boss before you hit plus worlds.
Yeah.
True. Yeah, between this and the other plus bosses, I think this one is like the least changed.
But again, this is just the Mario Party minigame.
Yeah.
Oh, damn it.
Oh.
Damn it, damn it, damn it!
How are we gonna take over the world like this, anyways?
I don't know how, but we beat a monkey.
Yes. And we're jumping for joy.
That's right, Mario.
Oh, you.
And
And
so,
that's how I defeated the monkey.
that's how
Damn.
I defeated Count Donkey Kong once and for all.
Yes.
That's bullshit.
That's bullshit.
It's bullshit, Mario, and you know it.
Ooh, this looks familiar.
DK,
This looks like it buffered again.
Oh.
What in the shit?
Oh no,
Hey,
you're
hold
missing
it.
the plot twist.
Oh no. I skipped ahead and I think
Why
I saw
is
the
Mario
plot
so
twist.
angry at DK stealing a couple toys that would have set him back like $20? He's a multi-billionaire. Oh wait, I just answered my own question.
Behold, the DK robot.
Mega Kong.
So this is referencing the final boss of Donkey Kong 94, where Donkey
Yeah.
Kong grew giant and basically used his fists to attack you, just like this.
Oh, now it's a robot.
Yep.
I didn't know monkeys could operate robots like this.
Oh, wow, that was cool.
Yeah.
Hand flip. And that ruined it.
just like before, do not get crushed by these or hit by any projectiles, because everything is a 1-hit KO.
Makes sense.
Yeah. How many hits do you have to get on him?
7. One for each mini Mario, and then a final one.
And it's like, hey, you know that Mario thing where you have to do a thing 3 times? Well, let's make it 7. And then do it again for the original Splatoon, because surely no one will get annoyed. And I'm assuming you have no, like, lives for this, so if you die, you have to start all over.
No, he's got 2.
Yeah, I've got 2.
No, but I mean, like, if you die even with lives, like, there's no checkpoints.
Yeah, you gotta start at the beginning of the fight, and that's the same for the Toad fight from earlier.
Okay, that's what I was asking.
Yeah.
Oh,
Also, you gotta love this Game Boy Advance guitar in the track.
yeah, if we could hear it.
I mean, if I turn my thing up, I can hear
Yeah. Final blow. At least on my end. I don't know where you
And
guys
hit.
are.
it. Yep, that's it.
It,
And he's gone.
yeah, quit pounding your fist like a baby.
Go, my children. Feast on his corpse.
Yes! No more secrets!
And there were no more secrets.
And then Mario raises the middle finger.
Yeah, right? Just walks away.
And then plot twist, the DK in the sequels is Diddy Kong grown up.
Oh no. Is he speaking Mario and Luigi? Or actual words?
No, actual words. He says, "It's a mini Mario!"
And then he just gives him one.
Yeah, and they're all friends in the end.
Why didn't Mario just let them go? He just wanted to have some toys. This is Mario at his most petty.
Mini
Like,
Mario's
Mario's
like,
the
what the
real bad
fuck
guy here."
went on there? So yeah, real credits this time.
Yeah. I thought that was a Ninja Turtle for a second.
Mario's a douche.
Obviously.
He's like, damn it! I should have just included him in my focus group.
Yeah,
That would have solved everything.
that would have solved everything. Just give him a complimentary toy for being part of the focus group. Game solved. No more sequels until Pauline enters the picture.
Yeah.
And DK decides he wants to go after that hot piece of Sliz again.
Wait, again? He's just following his grandpa's footsteps.
Oh, right. Craig's on. Yeah, actually, when you put it like that, it's kind of weird.
Yeah.
I mean, he is a monkey, but
So Mario is infinite, and I guess Pauline is too.
yeah, unless they had kids. Though I don't know how Jumpman could stand that. My cat got out again.
Thank you very much for playing my games.
Did he really say
And-
the playing again?
I think
you
he
very-
did. It was a little quiet, but
Thank you very much for playing my game.
Now play it again, you son of a bitch. You know you want to.
no, go after the extra levels or the expert levels.
Yeah, right. This game looks really fun.
Yeah. I would say get it on the Wii U Virtual Console, but
But Nintendo's got a Nintendo.
yeah. I mean, at the
I
time
would
of us
say
recording,
emulate it, but
No, pirate it.
yeah, pirate it.
that's another video I gotta show you guys.
It's not like they're gonna re-release it.
Yeah.
But yeah, that has been Mario vs. Donkey Kong. It's a fun game. I recommend, again, like we were saying, emulate it or pick up a physical copy if you can. We'll see y'all for the next playthrough. Take it
Yep.
easy.